Okay, so we got a Johnson Viking Ranger 1 here. Got from my buddy Bill. Gone through a little assessment on it. I am missing one of those. This sucker's pretty wore out here. And the faceplate, other than that, the faceplate is okay. Missing a little piece of glass on that. VFO turns smoothly. Everything's pretty good. This is a little bit crunchy at the end, but I think it's fine. I think it's just the washer on the drive. Everything else is good. Amazingly, it has a crystal cover on it. The operate switch seems okay. It looked okay. So going to this side, I already pulled the tubes, by the way. Okay, it didn't have any funky tubes in it. Chassis, you know, it's dirty. Okay, it's dirty. I'm going to do a cleanup on it. Looks like somebody was in the VFO. Did they change to Chernobyl? Don't know. But somebody was definitely in here at some point. Gotta check that, the Chernobyl, for sure. Push to talk. There's no relay in it. It looks like, oh yeah, the capacitors, I mean, yeah, the cap's way in the back there, jammed in the back. That's got to get changed. I think I'm going to get a D-Lab push to talk deal so we can remove this, put some diodes in this guy, make it safer running and not have to deal with any of that crap. It's too bad that this cord is junk, because these fuse cords are actually okay if you ever get one, but it's tore up right here. You'll get yourself you will get yourself on that one, so I'll have to change that. This guy's in nice shape. Got to be careful when I clean this to not damage that. Let's look on the bottom side. Probably the wrong way to lift it. Heavier sides on the top, but we'll let it go. So as you can see, everything is pretty much factory stock. All this will be changed out. I will order some capacitors. Of course, I check my that's your mod bias adjustment there. This thing looks terrible, but that's the only big audio mod I'll do that brings up some lows. We'll jumper a cap on there, see what that shows right before I do that. You don't have to remove it. Let's see. Yeah, so I mean, all this stuff's gonna go. We'll make a lot more room after I do that. Of course, this guy will get replaced with a couple balancing resistors, pair of 22s at 450 or 500. I think I have those actually. I got 450s. Old Terry from D-Lab likes to use 500s, but 450 to 500, I don't think I got to worry too much about that with using 450s, but we'll see when I run up the old price calculator. I'll clean that switch up. The switch inside there will clean. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Definitely a new cord. I do have that. That socket that you need to run the thing. I hate 2-pin. I hate these. I do not like them. I probably will change it out to a 1/4-inch jack. And I really don't like these little dowel key for the relay. I wish they would have made them use the bigger jack, but it looks like it's in nice shape, so I'm not going to jack with that. So essentially, it's off to cleaning, and order up some parts. It is good. The transformer, power transformer, is good. So that's why I'm going to go forward with changing out the caps and everything. I do have another Ranger here that I use for my BC610 that's been all gone through. So at worst case scenario, this could be a parts unit, but I think it's all there. I don't know if this was factory built. I can't friggin' tell you. I don't know if there's some kind of thing on there. There was a sticker, Johnson sticker on this thing at some point. Right down yonder here. Right here, but yeah, this is pretty dirty. This stuff's gotta go get the scrubbing bubble treatment. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'll try and keep it off. This will keep it off the faceplate, of course, and all that. I don't think I have to take the faceplate off because the VFO seems pretty smooth, but of course, this guy's got to come off. And this guy's got to come off because I got to replace that cap that's back there. That's a real piece of garbage. And I think when I get Terry's push-to-talk kit, we'll take care of this and this at the same time. So I'll keep you guys updated on the little Ranger project. Yep, been there, done that. Everybody's has, likes AM, has had a Ranger at one point. And I guess we'll save it and get it on the air. It's better than using it as parts. Why not? I think it'll make a nice little transmitter for myself or someone, and we'll get it going. I know I do run into faceplates occasionally because that's kind of ugly right there. So, but we're more concerned with it working properly first and the cosmetics later. Typical little gasket's got little cracks, but it's not a big deal. Seen worse. So, and dogs are not included if in the purchase of this Ranger, by the way. So there you go, Ranger 1 Part 1 cleanup, and next up we'll go through the caps and show you how that goes. Okay, I just wanted to add this to this first part, that the spray down, scrubbing bubbles, and a hose. And yes, you can do that. Got nice and clean. Chassis is in nice shape. I mean, there's a little bit of pitting here and there, but it's in nice shape. So yeah, it's not going to be a museum piece. I mean, you could definitely airbrush this stuff and all that, but I don't care about that. I care about a good working rig, and that's it. So on to the next stage. Just going to stay out for a couple days to dry. What you can do is I'll take an air chuck and blow it off, and then just let it sit at least 24 hours, but it'll be more than that. So got to order parts. So there you go, guys. Don't be afraid to get in there with a hose and spray it out. Use your scrubbing bubbles. Windex works good, but now I switch to scrubbing bubbles because I find that does a little bit better work than the Windex, and it does pull off more of the garbage. So there you go. Talk to you next time.